Hello, this is Stuart from Burningsuit with our guide to Microsoft Power BI licenses updated for April 2021. Well, there's been some change to the Power BI licenses available to us, and as you may be aware, there are now four main license types for Power BI. There's the free license, the pro license, the premium license, and the new license has just been announced, the premium per user license. So to understand what these licenses do for Power BI and how they operate, let's look at the different licenses in detail. Firstly is the free license. This is the simplest license to understand. It's a free license. You can get that from Microsoft. It's a per user license. So this is like a ticket on the bus. Everybody needs to have a ticket on the bus, and this is their ticket to do that. They can keep that license for them all the time. As its name suggests, it's a free license. There's no cost. What you get for your free license is 10 gigabytes of storage in the Power BI cloud. So this is 10 gigabytes worth of data sets, reports, dashboards, workbooks, these sort of elements. The maximum size of a data model that you can create in Power BI and store in the Power BI cloud free is a 1 gigabyte maximum size. That's compressed, so it still can be quite large and hold a lot of data. You get access to Power BI Desktop. Of course, everyone can get access to Power BI Desktop. It's a free download from Microsoft. You don't actually need a license to do anything with it, but you need a license to publish the reports up to the cloud. And you can do that with a free license. That allows you to create and view dashboards and reports in the Power BI cloud. It also allows you to publish to web. This is an unsecure publishing system that allows you to put your Power BI reports onto a publicly facing web page so that others can see them. And you get an automated refresh system, allows you to refresh your data automatically 8 times per day. You can refresh the data many times as you like manually, but if you automate the refresh, you are limited to 8 refreshes per day. That's the free license. The license that most people use for Power BI is the Pro license. The Pro license is a chargeable license. Again, it's per head. Again, think of buying a ticket on a bus. The Pro license currently in the UK is £7.50 per user per month. It's equivalent to $9.99. You get the same 10 gigabytes of storage in the Power BI cloud. You get the same maximum size of a data model of 1 gigabyte. You get Power BI Desktop, creating and viewing dashboards and reports, obviously, published to web, but you also get the ability to share dashboards and reports with others. Note that the free license on its own can't share dashboards and reports with others. The Pro license can, but if you're only using a Pro license, in order for users to see the information you shared with them, they need a Pro license too. So in most organizations, small organizations, they've got a number of pro users and they can each share and look at each other's dashboards and reports if that's shared with them. The premium license was the third license initially in Power BI. Premium license, as its name suggests, is a premium license for large organizations. It's a per capacity license, not a per user license. So if the individual licenses, if the free and the pro licenses are tickets on a bus, the premium license, your organization has bought the bus and can have as many people on that bus as that capacity will allow. You get a staggering amount of storage still. You get 100 terabytes of storage for a premium capacity, and a maximum size of a data model starts at 10 gigabytes. That can be larger. Note the asterisk. That can be larger if you use the large model support as part of premium. The premium license effectively is an organizational license. You buy one for the entire organization. The premium license is effectively a viewing license. It allows users with pro and free licenses to view reports and dashboards stored on a premium workspace. So if you've got a larger organization with a number of users, you may have a few pro licenses. These are the creators license. These are the people who can create the reports. And then you may have a premium license for the organization, and then people with a free license don't need any further license to view reports and dashboards that have been shared with them. You get a number of other benefits on premium. You get paginated reports. Used to be thought of as SQL Server Reporting Services, SSRS. If you've ever seen SSRS reports, you'll know what these look like. And paginated reports, great for producing invoice lists and attendee lists, etc., out of your data. You also get the new artificial intelligence capabilities. If you want to do things like sentiment analysis on your data, you can get that with a premium license. You get deployment pipelines. So we have the pipeline system of development, test, and production. And you can deploy your solutions through Power BI, through development into test, then from test into production, and then from production out maybe to a Power BI app for the end users. You also got XMLA endpoint connectivity, so third parties and other systems can connect in to the data and view the data and manage the data and report on the data that you hold in premium. You get unlimited distribution. This is the free license users. The premium license will enable free users to view reports that are shared with them on the premium capacity. And you also get the ability to deploy to other data centers. If you want to have your data stored in a North European data center, but maybe also stored on an American data center for an American organization to view and access, or maybe a South American system, if you've got many different organizations based around the world, you can store the data in different data centers. The premium license, though, as I said, is a corporate license, and as its name suggests, it's a premium cost. It starts at around about £3,000 UK per month for that capacity, and then goes up from there. In the past, these were the three licenses, and as you see, there's quite a jump from Pro to Premium, from £7.50 per user per month to up to £3,000 for the organisation. Is a big jump. So in April, Microsoft made generally available their new license, the Power BI Premium per User license, and that fits in between Pro and Premium. The Premium per User license, like the Pro and the free licenses, are per user licenses. Again, tickets on the bus, individual licenses for individual users. Again, you get the maximum premium size. You get 10 gigabytes of storage in the cloud per premium per user, but you also get 10 gigabytes of storage as a maximum data size. You get the ability to create reports and dashboards with the premium per user license. So it is a creator's license from that point of view. You get 48 refreshes a day, as you do with premium, 48 refreshes per day, automated refreshes. The difference with premium per user is that when you put information on a PPU or a premium per user workspace, you can share that with other premium per user users or other premium users, but you can't share it with other pro or free licenses. So it's again, it allows you to manage that, how that operates. You get the paginated reports we've talked about. You get the AI capabilities we've talked about, deployment pipelines and XMLA. You do not get with premium per user. You don't get the unlimited distribution. So you don't get the free access to your reports on premium per user. Again, it's the difference in the license there. You also don't get the deployment to data centers other than home. But the premium per user license now, its price is set effectively at twice the pro license. So it's £15 UK. I think it's $20 US. But again, that makes a lot of financial sense where you want some of these facilities. Maybe you want paginated reports. Maybe you want the larger data centers. Maybe you want the multiple data refreshes, but you don't want to go completely to a premium capacity yet. So the 4 basic licenses now for Power BI: free, entry level, pro, premium per user, and then when your organization is large enough or you grow to it, a full premium capacity. We go through all of these license types in our training, and we can tell you more about how Power BI works and how you can use Power BI. We are Burningsuit. We are the Power BI people. We do training in Power BI and associated technologies. You can contact on this number or drop us an email at info@burningsuit.co.uk.